What up, y'all? It's your boy Ignit here to help you with Logic. Now today we are going to talk about how to record your vocals over a beat that you've imported without clipping. I see this mistake made all the time when people send me sessions. They try to record vocals over a beat that's already at its maximum loudness. They don't reduce the fader. They don't change the gain on the track or anything. They just try to record their vocals over it because they want to hear it loud in their ear. So I'm going to solve that problem for you right now. Let's get right into it. Okay, so what I have here is the instrumental for Big Body Lane Hogging by Gino Rose, featuring your boy, also produced by your boy. And what I normally do when I import a beat, I have a template already, and I can share this template with you. There should be a link below this video where you can get it, where I already have the gain figured out. Like I reduce about -5 on the main channel, and then I run it through a bus, an instrumental bus, in case I want to add other instruments, that has a gain reduction of -10. So we're doing about -15 of dB reduction, or -15 dB of reduction off top. The reason being is because your vocal will compete with the loudness of the beat. You don't want to be screaming over a song that you need to be mellow over. You don't want your vocal to come in clipping. Because, like, let's just say, for instance, this may sound funny. When I add this, it probably sounds like a double. Yeah, it's probably gonna sound like a double time in the recording. But as you can see here, the level meter is going up, and here I'm trying to record over the beat. Let's put the headphones on. Yeah. Get my sight back through the lies. I know I'm always on the right track. I'm a little late, but you know what I'm saying? Now, because this beat is this low, it's not really affecting the way I need to perform over it. But let's just take the gain off. And now I gotta do a lot more to try to get that volume. On top of that, I'm probably gonna have to raise the volume of the input. So now I'm probably gonna be peaking, and then once you start clipping, once you get that digital distortion, it's just bad for business. So always lower the gain on your beats. Now, this is the part 2. If you need to hear yourself louder while you record, again, I always suggest that you don't record with too many plugins, but a couple of them, won't hurt. They shouldn't, depending on your computer processing. But you can always add a limiter. You know what? I'll use Logic's limiter. You can always add a limiter on the stereo output. There's Logic's limiter real quick here. And then what this is going to do is, like, you can raise the gain on this, and it's going to squash everything to fit below 0 dB. You always want to, I always set it to 0 or to -0.1, but you could do whatever you want to on that. And now the sound is still loud in my headphones. It's being squashed. Like you can see, this yellow bar is being squashed. So you don't want to leave it like this, but this is a way that you can have loudness in your ear, your vocal over the beat, without having to turn the beat up or turning your vocal track to the point where either of them are clipping. I hope this helps. Drop a comment, subscribe, share, all that shit that people do when they like something. I'll see you next time.